Yeah, ma'am. I think we can just try
Okay.
this once.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me for cause and reason.
For cause and reason, due to, since,
Correct.
owing to,
Hmm.
something like that.
Correct.
Cause
Tell
and
me
reason,
for
because.
huh. Tell me for comparison of two sentences.
Or in comparison to, likewise,
Hmm. Correct.
something like
Correct.
as compared to,
As compared to.
likewise.
And contrast.
Despite this, or on the other hand,
Hmm.
although, on the flip side,
Correct. Correct.
alternatively, or yet
Highlighting.
yet yet or
Hmm.
alternate.
Highlighting.
Highlighting is exceptionally, specifically, in specific to, in particular, clearly, something like that.
Correct. Example based linking words.
For example, for
Hmm.
instance, uh, to give an example, to quote an example, to
Correct.
exemplify,
Addition.
to, जैसे बोला कि, to add to this, in addition to, retabulate,
Correct.
furthermore, something like
And
that.
for starting paragraphs.
Starting paragraph, to initiate with, to
Hmm.
begin with, firstly, to commence with.
Ending.
एंडिंग के लिए, in conclusion,
Hmm.
uh, to collaborate, or to summarize,
Correct. Correct.
lastly, to conclude, or in conclusion, वैसा.
Opinion oriented words. Stating an opinion.
I reckon, I believe,
Hmm.
I think, I admit,
Correct.
or the best is in my point of view.
Correct. Correct. In my point of
Yeah.
view. Okay. Now I think you're well versed with the linkers. Now go for the structures. First, I'm going to ask you for the formal letter structure. Okay. Revise all the steps because today I have to finish with the samples of these all letters. After this, Pooja, we'll be starting with which module? Listening and speaking also, two left with after this.
मैम, लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग ना, मेरा काफ़ी कुछ हो गया था. If I get 1 hour for each with you na, I think that should be enough.
Okay. You want me to give the
Uh,
tips and tricks on these modules to you?
yes, yes,
Strategies. That is the most vital part of this, right?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
No issues.
You think 1 hour would be enough for these three, like
See, I will.
listening and.
What I am planning is like how I am planning for you. First, like after, let us complete with the task one today. Okay, all the letters and essays. I think we'll be completing by the next week. Okay, then after that week I will give you one session for the listening. Okay, I will teach you the strategies for the listening also, for the map exercises also, and diagram one also, and the other exercises. I don't that mentor had given you any tips and tricks for these exercises, map? No.
She did, but not any sort of strategies. It was quite general, to be honest.
Okay. So we will do one thing, Pooja. Let us complete the writing, okay, for this and the next week. Then I'll be starting with the listening. So I will give you one class for the tips and tricks for the strategies also listening. Okay, and how we will go is like I will take one task in the class itself, the test. Like in listening, na, they have given you sentence completion, MCQs. So what we will do, we will practice one exercise with that strategy that I will teach you. Okay, so this way you are able to do all the exercise. Look, I am able to test you, okay, you are going with the strategy or not. Okay, so hardly 2 to 3 days we will go for the listing. Okay, this way we are able to cover all the exercises with that strategy that I'm going to teach
Sure.
you. Okay, and then if you want, then I can go with the speaking also. In speaking, I have made the notes for my students for the idioms and phrases that I have made for from the band 8 and 9 writing these speaking all material. Have you got these idioms and phrases from your mentor earlier? No. No. Okay. So no worries. I will give you this all extra material apart from this portal when we are going to start with the speaking one. Okay? Because these idioms and phrases, they help you to get 8 and by 9 scores in speaking, because it adds color to your conversation. If you're using them, it gives a very good impression to the evaluator. Okay, so we will go
Because
this
my
way.
last mentor did give me a sort of strategy, but it was more about what are the words that we could avoid while talking and
Those
stuff.
are
I
called
don't.
fillers. She must have taught you filler sounds, filler phrases. These all fillers
Huh.
she taught you.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that.
Okay, no worries. So I will give you like session 3, 3, 4, 4 sessions on each, listening also along with speaking also. Okay,
Okay.
this way we will go. Okay, because I have basically have those cue cards also which have come in recent exams. That too also I will make you practice in the class. Okay, this way you will get an idea what type of questions they can ask you in your exams, right?